Today we're taking a quick look at the Transform panel in Silhouette Studio. You'll find the Transform panel on the right side of your screen. It's the icon with 3 vertical lines and 1 horizontal line through the center. This panel gives you precise control over your shapes, things like scaling, rotating, moving, aligning, and even shearing. The Align tab helps you line up shapes quickly. You can align left, right, center, top, middle, or bottom. You can also space objects evenly, horizontally, or vertically. And if you need something perfectly centered on the page, use Center to Page. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up a layout. The Scale tab lets you resize your shapes with accuracy. You can use the preset buttons for quick percentages or type in your own custom value. If you need an exact size, use the width and height boxes. Turn the lock aspect ratio on or off depending on whether you want to keep the proportions. This is the easiest way to size something perfectly for your project. The Rotate tab lets you turn your shapes to specific angles. You can rotate 2, 0, 90, 180, or 270 degrees with one click. Or you can rotate by an amount, like 45 or 90 at a time. There's also a custom box if you need a very specific angle. This is great for creating patterns, mandalas, or precise layouts. The Move tab gives you exact control over positioning. Use Move By to nudge your shape a specific distance in any direction, or Move To to place your shape at an exact X and Y coordinate on the mat. This is perfect when you need elements lined up with precision or placed in the same spot every time. The Shear tab lets you slant or skew your shapes. You can shear horizontally or vertically using the preset angles, or use the custom slider to dial in the exact amount you want. This is a fun way to create stylized text, shadows, or dynamic shapes. The Transform panel gives you simple, powerful tools to control size, rotation, position, alignment, and angle of any shape in Silhouette Studio. Try using 1 or 2 of these tabs on your next project. They make your designs cleaner and more precise. If this helped, hit like and let me know which panel you want me to cover next.